Hi, my name is Sam, and in this video we are going to go over how to add a user to Google Search Console. First, you need to go to Google Search Console. So go to search.google.com/search console, and this is going to bring you to your Google Search Console dashboard. You will need to make sure that you are in the domain that you want to be working in. If you don't see it, make sure that you are signed into an account that has access to that domain. Once you're logged in and you're in the correct domain, on the left-hand menu here, you want to scroll down to Settings. And then in Settings, there's Users and Permissions. Now to add someone, you are going to need to be an owner. So if you're not an owner, if you are not an owner, you will not be able to do this. But go into Users and Permissions. And then right here, you have the Add User button. You can click on that. You can type in an email. We're going to just do an email like that. And then you can choose if you want to give it an owner, or for permissions, it can be an owner, full, or restricted. Basically, an owner has access to everything and they can add owners. A full permissions have most access, but they cannot add users. And then restricted, typically they can only view data. If you want to learn more about the exact permission details, Google has a page here that goes over what each permission level can provide. Once you know who you want to add, then you would just click Add. We'll go like this, click Add, adding user, and now this person is added. And they typically are not going to receive an email that they're added. They'll just be added. You need to let them know, and then they'll be able to access Google Search Console under this email account.